Alright, I'm gonna work on this piece right here. I'm gonna put my LED light bar back on. I got this for it to load equalizer. Last one I put on, it blew out, so I had this one. I was gonna put it back on, but I had to get one of these. I finally got one. Right now, it's got a hole right there, so I'm gonna weld it up, fix it, and then grind it back smooth. I have a place over here where I fixed it before that I never ground it back smooth, so I might do that now. I'm not real sure. I might leave it like it is for now, but the other side I will grind smooth. This one I just say I might not because the wire's right there. It's gonna get in the way. So I don't remember where the bolts are to this, so we're gonna have to find some. Be right back.
And allow this thing to get closer to being moving.
So here we go. Here's the resistors.
I'll tell you one thing, I've never been so excited to stop. I hope you guys enjoyed this 3D machine.
There's two of them in the pack, so
info is in the
I got
description.
an extra one.
Until next time.
Alright, I got the resistor hooked up to the hot wire for the light. Now I'm securing it to a spot. Off that exhaust, but I can hold off onto that. It'll be easy. But I'm gonna fire this up, let you all see the light working. So Just hold on for a second. So there it is. I'm gonna do it with my phone real quick. Show you that the light works. It was a bit flooded. Ain't been started in months, so. Oh well. You see that the light works. Have to tune it up, I guess. I don't know. Now it's smoky.